What's up, guys? We're going to be unboxing some Accord parts today. We got some stuff from P2R here. All our stuff from P2R came in, so yep. Let me just get all this opened up and then we'll check out what's inside. Alright, I got everything opened up and most of the packing peanuts cleaned up. I think these are our runners. I think that's going to be, yep. Definitely feels like our runners. So there they are, our CNC ported runners. Those look nice. So there's that. I'm gonna wrap that back up. All right, and here is our big bore throttle body kit. So there's all our hardware. Looks like some spacer. I think that's the spacer. And there is our big bore throttle body. So, yep, those are all our P2R goodies that are going on the Accord. And, yeah. Peace, guys. What's up, guys? I got some more Accord parts to unbox, so we're going to go see what it is. I'm actually not sure what it is. I mean, I think I know what it is, but I don't know if it's all of it or not, so we're going to find out. And there's the Grand National being worked on.
Yep. Gonna give it a little TLC today. Got a new battery. The battery is 7 years old, which wasn't a major problem, but it kind of feels like it's missing, so gonna put some new plugs on it and see what happens. Almost got the driver's side done.
There's the Accord right there. But yep, we're gonna go unbox stuff over here, guys. Okay, let's see what's in this box. This is the big one, so. Okay. So those are our slotted front rotors. There is some pads. Premium disc brake pads, quiet ceramic pads. Okay. Okay, that's all our brace stuff. That's our front rotors. Here's our back rotors. So we got drilled and slotted back rotors, slotted front rotors, ceramic pads, and then this box should have a Braille lightweight 17-pound battery in it, if I am correct. More brake pads. And our new battery. So yep, we've got more Accord parts. I actually had more Accord parts show up today, but I missed delivery on them, so hopefully we'll get those tomorrow and we'll have an unboxing video of like every Accord mod all at once. So yeah, I'll see you guys when those parts come in. Alright guys, we got the last pieces of the puzzle here. Besides the intake manifold from Slick Fab isn't here yet, but we've got the double resonated mid pipe from RV6. I opened everything up already because it was it's a lot of stuff to open. There is our high flow cat. And here's the biggest piece of the puzzle. The RV6 long tube J-pipe. So yeah, we've got plenty of Accord parts to put on. I actually realized I didn't actually show you guys the rotors either. I just showed you guys the boxes when I opened these up, so I'll show you what the rotors actually look like. These are the front rotors, slotted. Let me set this down. These are the slotted front rotors. These are the drilled and slotted back rotors. And this, I mean, I guess I'll show you guys the battery, whatever. That is our 17-pound battery. So, yep. That's what's gonna be powering the Accord. And, yeah. That's it, guys. The only other part we have to get in and open up right now that's on order is the ported J35Y1 intake manifold from SlickFab. And that's, I think I ordered it like a week and a half or 2 weeks ago. And they said it's like a 3 to 5 week order time right now. So, yep, we'll see when that comes in. But for now, this is like an Accord Parts mega unboxing video where we unboxed like almost everything. So, yep, thanks for watching. Peace.
Silence.